Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to add music to Facebook profile. First of all, you can open the Facebook application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the menu option at the bottom right corner of the screen. And now after this, you can just simply tap on settings option at the top right corner of the screen. And here you can just simply scroll down and down, and in the audience and visibility section you can now tap on profile details, and after this you can just simply scroll down and down, and here you can see the option music. Tap on add music, and here you can just simply tap on plus icon at the top right corner of the screen, and now you can just simply add a favorite music that you want to put in your Facebook profile. And it is a way you can add music to Facebook profile if you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do. Trying using a VPN, it's secure, easy to use, and makes our browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.